I'm showing you a sample of new built townhouses here in Barangay San Jose in Talamban. So this is called Maria Elena Residences. Tanaw ko dong. Kaya naalagi ko dang nangitag balay. It is located near the main road, you can see. And each unit had a parking slot that you can see on the side. And this is the whole project. That's Michael James Residences, Barangay San Jose. And there will be about 35 townhouses. So you can see there's the kitchen. Here you got the bathroom, the first floor bathroom and shower. This is the maid's room. This is the laundry area, kitchen area, the lounge. And this is the second floor. The units have 3 bedrooms. This is bedroom 1. Bedroom 2. The master's bedroom got its own bathroom, so it's got 3 bathrooms in total, toilet and bath. And this is bedroom number 3. So this is the second bathroom, the third one I mean, because the first one downstairs, this is the second one, toilet and bathroom, and the third one was here inside the master's bedroom. It's quite very convenient for a starter family because it's near Montessori and it's near the main road of Talamban. It belongs to a very quiet neighborhood. So you can see that's a different lot area per unit. Some are smaller, 52.5. There's 73. So this is sold. So they sold about 10 units already. So you got 60 square meter lot. The biggest is the end lot, which is 88.5 square meter. So you got a door here going towards the garage space, because each unit got one car garage space where the septic tank is also located. And this is the front of the townhouse. So this is the development so far. The building is still going on. So there will be about 35 townhouses, and some got bigger space, like you can see here. They got a little bit of garden, and that's the parking space, and that's the house. So it's still going on. So that's the first bathroom downstairs, and this is gonna be what they put into the as the steps for the stairs going up. So this is the kitchen, this is the lounge, and so this is the maid's room. As you can see, it's still going on here, and you can see the ceiling, how they made it. So this is one of the bigger plot units. So the biggest is 88.5 square meter, will be located on the end of the development. So you can see it's behind another townhouse development, which is the Villesa residences, and this is the area. It's very quiet. So the project's still going on. So the big ones will be on the end of the project. I could see that they're also making their own blocks. They got the hollow block making machine. And is the whole construction area. So this is the development, how it looks like. There, as you can see now, they got a bigger space one, which is the 77 square meter. The first 10 units, 5 units on the left and right, 5 units on the left, 5 units on the right, is smaller compared to the ones on the back are bigger. So this is how they done the ceilings. They have steel decking for the second floor, and they're using J-rings for the ceiling. So there, this is 88.5 square meter, lot number 18. 88 square meter for lot number 34. So this is the biggest, 88.5. So the big ones are not made yet. So the next one that we can see that's got a bit of space is only 73 square meter. But it's a good development if you want a quiet area. It's a very quiet area. As you can see across, there is already a building made into commercial. This is gonna be the guardhouse. This is just a few meters to, this is the guardhouse. Montessori International School, which is there. You can see already past that bicycle is already Montessori International School property. And this is the whole project of Michael James Residences. So this one here is like a vacant space for like common areas. So this is now the trend. Living in the city is living in a townhouse, which is more affordable for most people.